Hi everyone, in this quick tutorial I show you how to delete your Line account. Just open the app and click on Settings, then go to Account, scroll down and here you will find the Delete Account button. Tap on it and if you are sure then tap on Next. You will see some information here. You should click I understand it right here and then you have to agree some more stuff. Before that, of course, read this information and then tap on delete account and delete again. That's basically it. I hope it helps.